welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today, once again, we're going to install a graphics card in the DEG1, the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. And then we will try it out on the MS-A2 from Minisforum with the 9955HX and see what the little power combo can do. Anyway, this next section is me doing an unboxing, but I found out that my recordings weren't recording any audio. So anyway, the rest that does have audio will play normally after the unboxing. So let's get on with it. Okay, this is a 3-slot card. Okay. Put those in there. Okay, we are ready. Let's go try this out. Okay, let's turn it on. Everything's spinning up. I really need to start screen recording. But this is kind of easier, not having to set that up on every computer I test or whatever. Okay, let's find the graphics. RX 9070 XT. Okay, let's do some 3D Mark, and then we'll do a Geekbench, and finally we'll play that little round of Call of Duty. Alright, we are playing with a monster Team Red today. Still Nomad, RX 9070 XT. Okay, I'll be back with the results. Okay, we have a 7050, average 7002, and best 7002, so did pretty well. Let's see, the CPU temperature, GPU temperature is way low, which it's open air and it's a 3-fan card. Yeah, let's see, CPU 73, 69, 60, lower 60s. Very good. Apex Legends, Red Dead, and Fortnite. Very good. Time Spy next. Okay, we have a 13,501. Looks like CPU temps were 86, 84. Yeah. Like the last few lower 80s, a little dips into, or not dips, but spikes into the 90s. Yeah. So there we have it. Legendary 13,501. Okay, and now for the final wildlife. All right, 53,902. Temps in the 80s, spike into the 90s towards the end there. But for the most part, it does great. Let's see. Now, let's do some Geekbench. And I can't wait to start recording one of my next videos. It's a new accessory for the Nintendo Switch 2, which I just acquired a Switch 2, so I do a little unboxing of that, and this mystery accessory. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, we got a Vulcan score of 166.78. The 9955 HX, 16 cores, 32 threads, and the AMD RX 9070 XT. Compared to okay, so the 5070 got a little bit better Geekbench score, 175 versus 160. Of course, the 9070 is above the 9060 and the 5060. And here's like a regular 9070, the non-XT 146. So, yeah. It's right in there. I mean, sometimes the 9070 can beat a 5070 Ti, so not a bad score. Okay, now let's play some Call of Duty. Okay, graphics 9070, good. Quality extreme, so like the 5070 and okay, we're right around 150s. Oop. Oh, come on, keyboard got in the way. Okay. Kind of hard to play with a camera in front of me. That's why I need a screen recorder. Yeah. Oh, that was my dude. Oh. Oh, I should have done a warm-up game first before showing it. Wow, I have not made one kill. So of course is just to show what the graphics can do and stuff, you know, not my playing abilities. No! This is playing pretty nice. Oh, where did that? I didn't even see that. Okay, where is everybody? Slice! Slice! Oh, gosh, dang it. There's somebody watching him. Damn Ninja Turtles. Oh, whoa. How, what? These guys ninjas or what? What? Where did you come from? Oh, poop on you. Wait, what am I playing? Team Deathmatch. Huh. Oh, you... I'm gonna edit all of my bad stuff out so there won't be any footage. Because this game, I'm not liking it. Oh, you bumhead. Yeah, that sucked. But anyway, that graphics card can play. So, I just want to thank all of my subscribers and my viewers, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is whenever you watch this, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.